We come to this apartment building and we don't know what elevator's inside of it. But it's definitely right here. It's in Englewood. As you can see, security is very tight here. Here it is. Ah, it's modded.
Bruiser. Looks like it used to be either a Montgomery or Englewood.
What the hell is that?
What is that? It's a heat sensor or something like that.
Do not paint.
Yeah, it's definitely a temp sensor. I do like the cab interior.
Yeah, they actually did a nice job on the cab.
And there's illumination general.
It smells like a excess of cleaning fluids in here.
Very generic panel. This is like the most generic innovation panel you can get.
Yeah.
It's got, they put some screws in it. It's missing some.
Yeah, they only put 4 of the 10.
Of the places to save money, screws.
Yeah.
I think it's still using the original controllers. Or a tech that at least does that job.
Here's your view out. Looks like Kenyon Place with the US is actually right down there.
Which one?
Kenyon Place. I think that's what it's called. It has the old US.
Okay.
We can go there after this. That one's another outdoor one.
Oh, nice.
But unlike this, well, who knows? It's been a couple years since I've been there, so.
It might be indoor now?
Might be modernized now like this one.
Ew.
I hope not.
That'd be a shame.
You all right? Then I wonder where the elevator room is. Oh, looks like it's over here. Yeah, you can see the elevator is in here, in the laundry room. We can't go in the laundry room, but anyway, that's it.